Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining again today. We've got another tech review for you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty excited about today's review. I've done a couple of star projector type reviews in the past. I have reviewed both of the Bliss skylights, the 1 and the 2, as well as the Galaxy projector. And they were really awesome, and I still have them right now, and I actually have a couple of other off-brand star projectors as well. But today we are going to be reviewing a product that is in star projection of completely its own class. We are going to be reviewing the Pococo Galaxy projector, which rather than project, like a blue or red or green aura on the ceiling accompanied with rotating stars and whatnot, this actually uses slides to project like real images of like super high quality images of space. And there's like lots of different slides that you can buy for it. And I bought 2 packs of slides that we're also going to open during this review. So without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing. Alright, so first things first, we got a charging cable right here. And the first 2 slides. And of course, the box was covering my face. Inside the box, got the unit itself. Oh dear. And the instructions manual. A message from Anna. As a working mom of 2, I'm always striving for balance, yet anxiety, sleeplessness, blah, 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 blah. So the business is apparently owned by a single mom of 2. Customer service. 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. Free user support. Wow, that is interesting because I had a lot of trouble getting a hold of anybody at Pococo when I was trying to email the company. So, that doesn't make a bad company, but it goes without saying I'm not going to do a review on a product and talk about how great the product is without also talking about if I had a personal customer service experience with the company, which I tried to, but got completely ignored. So they may make a great product, but they need to work on their customer service. Pococo, if you're watching this, that's you. This is really cool. So there is, it's a bit of like a chart of the different slides that you can get. Okay, that's pretty cool. Word, that's pretty solid looking. It's got a timer. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't have a remote. Like there's no remote control to, use with it. But so here we've got a power button. This looks like it's going to make it rotate or stay still, and then a timer button. It's pretty simple. Galaxy Light Star Projector. And this, I'm not 100% sure why this spins like that. I bet you anything it is a focal ring. Let's see. Take out the little slide container. And first one that we're going to put in is going to be Diamond Stars. Alright, this is cool. There's actually siding to make sure that it actually slides in correctly. Alright, it's in there. Alright. Alright, it is officially plugged in. Let's turn it on. And as you can see, it is projecting. Alright, so now we need to take a look at it. I was correct, that was a focal ring. Now let's see it rotate. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is something else. Wow. So the one complaint that I have already that I can see is that there's no way to change the brightness of this, like, at all. I don't think that you can like, there's no like brightness setting, like where I could change how bright it is or how much it's projecting. And unfortunately, we are in a room that has a ton of visual light pollution right now. So while this does look really cool, I'm actually going to move the rest of the review into my bedroom, which is where I planned on using it anyway, so that I can do it without any LED lighting present, because it does look fantastic, and it looks cooler to my naked eye than it does to the camera right now. I can see that looking at the screen, but it's not as bright as I thought it was going to be. And so for that, I am a little bit disappointed, but that doesn't mean that it is a bad product or a product worth returning by any means. It just means I had high hopes for the brightness. And by comparison, this is why I'll say, because here's one of the blue star projectors that I have by comparison. I mean, it is a like wild difference. But this is also projecting a map of little LED dots and an aurora from two completely separate locations. It's not, projecting through a slide, so it's kind of unfair to compare this star projector against the Galaxy projector that we're doing the review on. So without further ado, I'm going to move it into the bedroom and we're going to check out some of the other slides that I got. The Pikoko Galaxy Star Projector with replaceable optical film discs is available on Amazon for $99.99. While I feel this price isn't unfair, it would be far more fair at a $60 to $70 price point. The optical film disc kits of 6 slides each are ridiculously priced at $45.99. The price on each set of slides should be maximum $25. It makes one start to question the worth of the device if the case of ammunition, so to speak, costs nearly 50% of the device itself. That being said, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and throw a link to this product down in the description of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know I am doing a good job by giving it a thumbs up and commenting. And if you wish to support me further as a creator, please subscribe and tap that bell to all notifications so that you never miss any future content from my channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.